How do you feel after working a full day in the salon? If you feel drained, if you feel that you do not have any energy to do anything at all except just lie on the couch, pull your blanket over your head, and just wish for the next day to come, it might be that you're not taking care of yourself throughout the day. And it might be that you need to implement some more self-care things in order for you to have amazing energy, so that you don't feel drained by your clients, and that you can actually have a high level of energy throughout the day, so that you can actually spend some quality time with your family when you're finished for the day. So make sure that you actually put some self-care practices into your daily life, so that you can actually take care of your clients in a good way, take care of your family, and not feel like your life has been sucked out of you after a long day at work.